Welcome back to Houston Life. Homeowners are turning their backyards into resort-style getaways, and in a big way. I mean, Derek, we're talking new patios, deck upgrades, outdoor kitchens, and fire features that make it easy to live and entertain outside.
Okay, this all looks beautiful. Joining us today is Jess Lester. She's the Director of Marketing with Allied Outdoor Solutions. This is a Texas company specializing in custom-designed outdoor living spaces. Jess, welcome to Houston Life. It's so nice to meet you. What I love about this concept and what your business does is you're essentially extending people's living spaces, right, to make sure that their outside is just as comfortable as the inside. So what types of projects do you tackle?
All kinds. So one of the things that we're known for at Allied is really being able to cover the entire backyard space, whether that means a shade structure, updated surface for your outdated pool deck, outdoor kitchen, or a fire feature. Maybe you want to go outside and roast s'mores with your kiddos. We really have specialists that can work on all of those different types of services for you.
I love a nice outdoor space. I really do. And one of the things that your company does so well is carved stone, right?
Correct.
So this is something that is a popular option for patios, for pool decks. Yeah. Can you explain to people what carved stone is?
I sure can. So carved stone is really a great opportunity for you if you need to update your patio or your pool deck. Maybe it's outdated and you're looking to revive it. It's an overlay product. It doesn't require any tear out, and it's actually more durable than standard concrete.
Wow.
So you're able to go in, whether you want to have a Roman or a flagstone pattern, and create any type of color palette that you would like, so it's fully customizable, and it'll really update your space while tying into the existing aesthetic of your home.
Well, and you know, speaking of tying in, Jess, I mean, this not only ties in with the aesthetic of the home, it looks like it kind of ties in with the aesthetic of the landscape, like the surrounding trees,
Yep.
backyard vibes.
Yep, it's completely customizable, and that's why people love it. And honestly, it's pretty budget friendly. So everybody knows travertine, pavers, those things can get really expensive, and this is a great opportunity where you can create that look and feel without necessarily the full cost of what you would get with that.
When homeowners see the transformation, how, Jess, do they typically react?
They're amazed. They love it. It just is a complete reset on this space, and they feel rejuvenated, and they want to spend time outside, which is the whole goal of doing this, right?
Yes, it's so beautiful. I have a question. What are the trends that we're seeing in Texas? I'm always curious, what's popular, what's hot right now? What do you find that you're seeing right now across our state?
Sure. Shade structures, right? So shade structures, it's Texas. Yes. Most people, if they don't have an existing shade structure, aren't spending any time outside.
Yeah.
Or maybe they bought a home, but it just has that standard little builder grade, like 5-10 feet patio that's not really functional enough. So they're coming to us and saying, can I extend this so that I can get outdoor dining and outdoor kitchen where I can cook meals with my family and maybe put up a TV and watch the football game, you know, really enjoying that space.
And you know, it is so true, because so many homes, if they have any sort of outdoor space, it's maybe a little concrete pad and then just grass, and that's kind of it.
Yep.
Do you find that homeowners feel like you've increased their living space, essentially? You've increased the size of their home by doing this?
100%. 100%. You're increasing the square footage of the home that you can actually utilize. So maybe you're in a smaller ranch, a 2,000 square foot ranch, you know, inside of Houston. You can't necessarily always build out structurally with an interior, but this outdoor patio cover really helps you extend that living space so that you can get outside, enjoy your family more, especially if you have little kids and you just really need to get them outside.
Well,
Yeah.
if you have little kids and you have a family, sometimes it's harder to like coordinate things. How does Allied help a homeowner through this process?
So that's one of the things we're known for. I'm glad you asked that. We have spent 15 years, so we've been in business since 2009, and we have spent 15 years perfecting that process. One of the biggest complaints any homeowner who's done any type of renovation will tell you is communication. And we have really excelled at building out a system that allows the customer to easily get in touch with us. So we actually have something called Allied Connect, and it allows you download the Slack app. You can talk to your construction coordinator within a matter of minutes. The way the process with us starts is you call us up, submit an online form. You will be reached out to one of our discovery agents within a matter of minutes, typically maybe a few hours. And they're going to walk through, what are you looking to do? What do you really want to build in your space? And they're going to note that down, and then we're actually going to send someone out to your home, and they're going to look over that space and sit down with you and really understand what it is you're looking for and how do you live on a day-to-day. Like what is your lifestyle like? Are you somebody who wants to go outside and just sip coffee, or are you somebody who's got kids and you really, you need this pool and you need all of these things for entertainment purposes? And so we'll walk through that in-home consultation with you. And then, depending on the size of your project that you're looking to do, if needed, we can even provide a 3D rendering within under 72 hours. So it's really great. It helps a customer visualize what it is they want to build.
Talk about your guarantee, because I understand you have a 5-year workmanship guarantee.
We do.
This is important. There are a handful of companies out there who do this type of work. You want to be sure that this investment lasts for a very long time.
That's right. So that's about 5 times longer than any other contractor's workmanship guarantee. It's just peace of mind. And I think it shows the confidence that we have in our own services and our own products and materials, right? We understand all these unique services a lot better than somebody who maybe doesn't have the years of experience that we do in it. And we believe in our product and we believe in our people.
You also offer that flexible financing.
We do.
To mention that before we wrap.
Yeah, we do. So we do have all kinds of flexible financing options, things like 0 interest, no payments for 12 months. So there's a variety of options out there for everyone. And, it's all the more reason to give us a call and not delay.
Yeah, make that backyard more usable. Jess Lester, thanks so much for stopping by.
Thank you for having me, guys.
And by the way, Allied Outdoor Solutions, they do have a special promotional offer for Houston Life viewers this month. You can get a free green egg. Those are very popular when you sign up for an outdoor living project.
All you have to do is call 832-281-5909, or you can visit AlliedOutdoorSolutions.com. Don't go anywhere. Houston Life will be right back.